Hello, little one. Who are you?
We are a three kitten.
Your look is awesome.
Thanks, gentlemen.
What are you doing now?
We are playing with each other.
Where is playing you?
We are playing in inside of my house.
I am a rooster and finding my friends.
I know where is your friend.
Oh, so please tell me now.
Yeah, sure. Your friends outside of my house and eating seeds.
Thanks for help me. I am a dog. That is my puppies.
Oh, very cute your puppies. Hi puppies.
What are you doing? We are playing a jumping game.
Oh, wow. Where are you playing jumping game?
We are also playing outside of our house.
That's good.
We are a rabbit. We are playing with each other. And we are happy in all time. Our favorite foods is a carrot. We are a goat. I also eating a grasses, weeds, grain and sometimes even tree bread. Cow. Hi friends, I am a cow. I am also give a 2 times milk per day. My milk is a very powerful for brain development and keep healthy body. Hi friends, we are a pig. We are like to playing in mud. Hello friends, we are a horse. We are like a running. We are useful in many departments like agriculture, riding and transporting. I am an elephant. I am the world's largest land animal. And I also known for own large ears and bangles made of the ivory.